The front bumper is the car's first line of defense, helping absorb and distribute energy during a collision. The engine is the heart of the vehicle, converting fuel and air into mechanical power that drives the wheels. The tire is where the vehicle meets the road, providing traction for acceleration, braking, and steering. The steering wheel lets the driver control direction by transferring steering input to the front wheels. The headlight uses powerful light sources and optics to illuminate the road and improve visibility at night. The brake disc works with the brake pads to convert the car's motion into heat and slow the vehicle down. The battery stores electrical energy and supplies power for starting the engine and operating the vehicle's electrical systems. The air filter removes dust and debris from incoming air before it reaches the engine. The windshield provides forward visibility. It also forms an important structural and safety barrier. The taillight makes the vehicle visible from behind. It signals braking and other driving actions. The suspension absorbs road impacts. It keeps the tires connected to the road. This maintains vehicle stability. The muffler reduces exhaust noise. It uses internal chambers and passages to control sound waves. The gear shifter allows the driver to select different transmission gears. This controls speed and torque. The radiator removes heat from the engine coolant. This helps keep the engine operating at the correct temperature. The exhaust pipe carries combustion gases away from the engine. It directs them toward the vehicle's exhaust outlet. The side mirror gives the driver a view alongside and behind the vehicle. This helps monitor surrounding traffic. The fuel tank stores vehicle's fuel and supplies it to the engine through the fuel system, and operating the vehicles through the fuel system. The transmission controls how engine power and torque are delivered to the driven wheels.